Check in, everybody. Back again with another video. Today I'll be doing some more McDonald's. The reason why I like McDonald's, first of all, it's super cheap. You buy one Big Mac, you get one for free. Look at this. Look how good that looks. Look at that. But yeah, I like to take advantage of opportunities whenever they present themselves. The McChickens and McDoubles, it was 2 for $3, I believe. I think this is my favorite McDonald's sandwich. That Big Mac is a classic. I'm actually using my phone. I wonder if I'll have enough space. Hopefully I do. Look at that. I'm in North Charleston right now, South Carolina. Just chilling in the parking lot, you know. Chilling like a villain. Okay, that's one down, and the other one to go. I hope you guys are taking advantage of the app. I didn't get any fries or anything because I wanted to cut back carbs. I know that sounds crazy because look what I'm eating. Also wanted to get a caramel frappe. I don't know, man. I don't think I'm gonna be able to burn off all that calories. Cause I'm definitely not trying to be running all night, jogging all night outside. Also, this is my first and last meal for the day. Do you think I'm gonna get fat? Let me know. I don't think so. Because I work out and I do cardio and I fast. So when I eat like this, I'm not gonna eat until late tomorrow. Feel me? I need some water. Got me some nice Deer Park spring water. That's all I drink. I don't mess with that purified water stuff. Spring water only. Why? Because it's 100% natural. That's why. Yeah. Man, they should have put some more lettuce on here. Like, what's this? There's literally no lettuce on there. Or maybe I'm being greedy. Oh, shoot. Yo, what? Yo! They violated. What is this? And they just threw the freaking burger on the bun. Look at the cheese. This is insane. Look at that. I'm gonna tell y'all a hack. If you want to enjoy your McDoubles more, put some mac sauce on it. Trust me. I forgot to add it to mine, but I'm remembering now. McDouble and mac sauce, can't go wrong. One thing about Charleston, there's always jets flying around and large airplanes. Seems like there's a military base close by. I'm not even close to being full right now. The lady at the cash register, she was like, "You want a drink to go with it?" I'm like, nah, I'm straight. too much sugar for me. I'm very mindful of what goes into my body. Straight like that. Dum 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 dum. I keep seeing stuff in my mirrors. Seems like my mind is playing tricks on me. I keep seeing something on the side of my eye. Just blaze past the rear. I guess it's all in my head. Dum dum dum. Not gonna lie, for a phone, keep seeing something behind me. Dum 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 dum. Oh wow, I'm actually burning calories eating. What's up with this watch, y'all? Look at that. I'm at 371. Who said eating wasn't work? They lied. Last burger for the day. It's actually crazy. I'm really not full. Terrible presentation. Look at this. Terrible presentation, McDonald's. Get it together. I don't know what these people are looking at. Keep dropping my food. The good thing about this meal, got a lot of protein in it. That's for sure. lot of protein. Look at that. Look at that. I guess these people are getting off work now. I'm parked up next to a hardware distributor. How many burgers did I just eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Still not full. Ate all these burgers and I'm still not full. Something isn't right. The math ain't mathin'. I'm not full, bro. I'm not hungry, but look at that. Anyways, guys, I'm about to be out of here. I'm about to go do my exercises. Like, comment, subscribe as usual, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep working out. Keep working out. This is bad right here. If you're not working out, don't do this. Don't be eating all this food if you're not working out. Better yet, do whatever you want to do, bro. It's your life. Till next time.